Hi guys, my name is Alexander. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll teach you how to play accordion and improve your skills from beginners to more advanced level. Please like, subscribe and share videos to help my channel grow. Let's start. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you different beat rhythms on the bass side and how to properly understand them so you can play them easier. First rhythm I want to talk about is the rhythm of waltz or 3/4 beat. We all heard the rhythm of waltz. It has 3 beats in every measure, usually a solo bass followed by 2 chords. Of course, it's not always like that. What you will find in every waltz is accented first beat and possibly a little bit longer than the other 2. Sometimes, first and second beat are played legato. Four four beat is common beat rhythm in almost every genre of music. It has 4 beats in every measure. The accented parts are first and the third beat, but the first beat is always more important than the third beat. If you are a beginner, you will probably use one of these combinations. Two four beat is also a very common beat. Difference between 4/4 beat and 2/4 beat is the accentation. It's always accented the first beat in the measure. A time signature of 6/8 means you count 6 8 notes in every measure. This beat is made of 2 dotted quarter notes. It's not the same as 2/4 beat. 2/4 beat we count 1 2 1 2 or 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 6/8 beat we count 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and E2 and E1 and E2 and E1 and E2 and E1 and E2 and E. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.